Welcome back my YouTube channel. The 2025 Honda Mighty 13 Mini Tractor is a compact yet powerful agricultural machine designed for small-scale farming, landscaping, and utility work. Built with Honda's renowned engineering expertise, this mini tractor is tailored for users who need a reliable, fuel-efficient, and maneuverable machine for light-duty agricultural and maintenance tasks. It combines modern design aesthetics with practicality, making it an attractive option for farmers and small landowners who require a balance of performance and affordability. Design and aesthetics. The Honda Mighty 13 boasts a sleek yet rugged design, featuring a streamlined body with aerodynamic contours. It is painted in Honda's signature red, complemented by black and silver accents that give it a premium look. The front grille is designed with bold Honda branding, providing a distinctive identity. The LED headlights ensure excellent visibility, making it suitable for working in low-light conditions, such as early mornings or late evenings. The seating arrangement is designed for maximum comfort, with an ergonomically crafted seat that offers ample support for long working hours. The controls are user-friendly, placed within easy reach, making the tractor intuitive to operate even for first-time users. The dashboard includes a digital display that provides real-time information on fuel levels, engine status, and operational metrics. Performance and capabilities. The Mighty 13 is powered by a fuel-efficient, high-torque engine, optimized for delivering power while maintaining low emissions. The engine's compact size does not compromise its performance, as it is engineered to handle a variety of terrains, from flat farmland to rugged countryside landscapes. The mini tractor's chassis is reinforced, ensuring durability and stability. Its rugged tires are designed for enhanced grip, preventing slippage on wet or uneven surfaces. The hydraulic lifting system allows for easy attachment of implements such as plows, tillers, and small trailers, making it a versatile machine for multiple farming activities. With 4WD capability, the Honda Mighty 13 can navigate through challenging terrains without difficulty. The suspension system is tuned for smooth rides, reducing vibrations and operator fatigue, even on bumpy surfaces. Technology features. Honda integrates smart technology into the Mighty 13, offering features such as electronic power steering (EPS) provides effortless maneuverability. Automatic transmission options, ensures smooth gear shifts. Eco mode, enhances fuel efficiency for extended operation. GPS tracking and smart connectivity, allows monitoring and remote diagnostics via a smartphone app. Market. The 2025 Honda Mighty 13 Mini Tractor is ideal for farmers, gardeners, and landowners who need a compact, reliable, and efficient machine. With its affordable pricing, low maintenance, and multi-purpose functionality, it is set to be a popular choice in the mini tractor segment. Honda's reputation for durability and innovation ensures that this model will stand out in the market.